Hello everyone. So, my new watch order has arrived, and as a third entry on this channel, I am going to make a short unboxing video. It is a Seiko Presage Irish Coffee Cocktail limited edition, which is available in Singapore, Brunei, Malaysia, Hong Kong, and I believe Macau as well. Model number SSA 401J1 with Seiko's not too shabby 4R57 in-house movement. Here we go. It's a little bit thicker than I expected, but a beautiful dial resembling a special cocktail of coffee mixed with cream and Irish whiskey. A clear case back with a serial number to indicate that it is one of 1000 pieces from this limited edition. It is also said that every dial is unique and no two watches are the same. This is the dial that makes me fall in love with this watch in the very first place. Hacking seconds, smooth mechanical movement, and this date pointer. Although it is an automatic watch, you can also wind it manually. It comes with a 41-hour power reserve and this power reserve indicator. And you can just listen to my nephew about it.
So funny, it tells you like, haha, look, you have 40 hours left, you better hurry up and spin your fingers faster.
Okay.
I'll try to make a review video about this watch in a couple of weeks or a month, because I still am making a review video for my Tequire Aqua Racer. Please do subscribe to this channel for more videos. As usual, thank you so much, take care, and see you soon.